all you Mouse Diva fans. And today was like Christmas. I go to the P.O. box and there's an unexpected box. I have to open it up just for a little sneak peek, and I see this Disney Doorables. So come to find out, Disney and Moose Toys has sent me a sneak peek at a new product that is releasing at stores on August 1st. So, oh my gosh, people, less than a week, these new toys come out, and they're like blind boxes. You can get Disney characters, all sorts of Disney characters, but you're not gonna know what you're getting. Hence the blind pack, or hence what's behind the door. Well, something adorable, obviously. Y'all get that? Adorable, behind the door, Doorables. Yeah, anyway. So just to let you guys know, once again, you are experiencing a sneak peek of the new toys. And for any of you kids out there that are watching, just be aware that this is an advertisement for Disney Doorables. First of all, you're gonna want to get a door. And they have several options of doors. I have got the Rapunzel Creative Corner, which is like totally awesome because you guys know how creative I am. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you a close-up, but I'm also gonna show you that there's a little surprise figure behind this door. So here's a close-up of what comes in this pack. Now, there are many other packs, and I'm going to insert a picture right now. So what happens here is you're actually collecting the characters to go with your stackable doors. You can get, there's actually, as of now, 78 of them. Guys, that's a lot of Christmas presents, by the way, just saying. So here's what us blind pack mystery collectors and lovers love. And that's the fact that not only do you not know what characters you're getting, you don't know how many you're getting. So you could get 5, 6, or 7. So when I open this up, I'm gonna find out whether I'm getting 5, 6, or 7. Okay, so without further ado, some type of drum roll, please. Voila! So as of now, it looks like I'm going to get 5. And I like the little doors. Are they not whimsical? That is so much fun. So, oh my gosh, kids are gonna love this. You know what this reminds me of? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and like open the big one first. What does that remind you of? Advent calendar. Oh, it is like exactly like an advent calendar. Let's take a close look at Rapunzel's little creative cottage here. Here is how you stack them. So it looks like they're gonna be easily stacked. And her little door opens, of course. And inside, if you look closely, it is her lantern. You may not be able to see it, but I can see it. Her lantern design is actually on the floor. So that's nice. That is a nice little detail. Oh, I like that it has glitter up here. Okay, kids are gonna love, even the door glitters. Okay, kids are gonna love that. Now, I like how, see this little peg here? Oh my goodness, take a look at her. So this is a very hard plastic. It's not squishy at all. Got a little bit of glitter in her bow there. And check out her eyes. They glitter. Got some nice little eyelashes there. Anyway, so she is going to fit nicely on this little peg. And that way, she doesn't go anywhere. I like that. It secures her to the toy. That's a nice little feature there. And with Rapunzel, you're gonna get this tiny little mirror. I don't know how this is gonna come out over the camera. I almost did not see these. Check out the tiny frying pan and her brush. Wow. Okay, so obviously this is not for small kids, because this would go straight into the mouth. Like, I'm actually going to like put it up on this shelf over here so that I do not lose it while I'm filming here. So with each little house, cottage, building that you get, you're going to get another exclusive toy. So we're gonna open up that little door. Okay, seriously, they even have windows on the side. I don't even want to like mess up this box. Oh, this comes with a stand because the collector in me is like, keep everything preserved so it will keep its value. So, and I could see that these things are going to be, yeah, this isn't just a toy for kids, guys. I can see all these Disney collectors like I am. Yeah, we're gonna take it a little more seriously than the kids. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Very, very tiny. Why the stand is needed? Because this little guy is pretty small. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach to the stand to make sure I do not lose it. Oh my god, even glitter eyes. Take a look. Let's open the very first one. Oh my gosh, I love blind packs. They totally sent this to the right person. I am obsessed with blind packs, mystery boxes. Oh my gosh. All right. And little Daisy. Look at those little eyelashes and those shoes. Oh my goodness. And even the back, she actually has feathers here. All right, so it looks like Daisy is a common one to get. So I'm hoping for some rare ones. This one's almost like a little barn. That's cute. Oh my goodness, I got a rare one. So this is the Blue Fairy. Ooh, I want all of this Pinocchio. Oh, I do. I want that whole set. But anyway, so, Blue Fairy. What do y'all think of Mike? Oh my goodness. Holding his little clipboard. Oh, again, these, oh my, look at his eye. His eye is very glittery. I got a special edition. I got a special edition. It's Roo from Winnie the Pooh, and I'm guessing the reason he's special edition is he's flocked, guys. Like, he has a, you know, flocked, like almost like a velvety type feeling to him, as if he had some type of little fur. Special edition. I'm special. I'm special. Okay, yeah, I'm special, all right. Special in the head. All right, let's see, next up. All right, this is my last one, guys. I got Nick Wilde. Look at that. Look how, like, okay, the glitter, he's like full of glitter. Like, the glitter is actually coming off on my hands a little bit. Full of glitter. He's awesome. He's amazing. Anyway, ultra rare is this one. And I got one. Yes. At the end of the vlog, I'm actually going to do a close-up of all the possibilities of what you can get in these packs, along with the legend that tells you what each color means. So common, rare, ultra rare, limited edition, and special edition. So it's the collector's guide. So at the end, take your time, look over each possibility. Now, since I am such an avid collector, I'm actually going to take a few minutes and look over everything, kind of like inspect it, so I can give you a few more comments and opinions, basically. So hold on one second. As you can see, I took the inspecting very seriously and I put on my reading glasses, guys. Serious stuff. Not recommended for small children because of the small parts, choking hazard. They actually recommend for ages 5 and up. I went ahead and counted to see if they actually showed us all 78 of this series. This is series 1. So that's great news. That means they intend to make more. And of course, that could be bad news for your wallet because that means you're just gonna want more. So I was curious because I'm curious about this whole metallic figure, surprise figure. And I can only guess, I have no clue, since all 78 are here, none of them look metallic. I'm gonna guess that it's just gonna be one of the regular ones, but with metallic paint, I guess. Also, the special edition, after looking more closely, it is only the Pooh figures are special edition, which is kind of cool, you know, considering the new Christopher Robin movie is getting ready to come out. Also, where I called Rue flocked, they actually called him Fuzzy. And actually each pack that you purchase, you will get at least one Fuzzy character in each pack. So I don't know if that is like all of Winnie the Pooh is Fuzzy. I can't imagine they would put Christopher Robin Fuzzy, but you don't know. This is what I could see happening with these, is especially since they're so small and like easy to mail, I see this trading community developing, almost like a Disney trading pin thing, because they are mysteries, and the more you buy, you know, the less you need. So it's going to get to a point where you only need a few, and you're not going to want to buy a whole nother pack. Because unfortunately, we don't know what the prices are. They've not released what the prices are, but we don't have to wait long because August 1st, they're out. We'll find out. I don't know what stores are going to carry them right now. So maybe I will do a follow-up on this sneak peek of the Disney Doorables and let you know where I find them and what the prices are. But getting back to the trading community, I could see people trading these, wanting the complete sets. I see that happening just because they're not big, easy to mail, cheaper to mail than a big item. I could see that happening. Okay, so really I'm kind of putting this out here because I see myself purchasing and getting more of these, and I just want to know that I'm available to trade if I get any duplicates. Just saying. So all in all, my review is they are whimsical, they are cute, they're gonna be addictive. Just saying, keep them away from the little kids. And the pets, because if I let our dog Disney near any of those, yeah, he's going to chew them up and they will be gone and lost forever. So anyway, guys, comment below on what your favorite character is out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of the 6 that I received. Let me know what stackable caught your eye as soon as you saw the picture of all the possibilities. And like, comment, and subscribe, and look for me on Instagram. The Mouse Diva's on Instagram. Follow me there. See you at the parks.
Honey, I made you breakfast, fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us, we got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys, I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a barrel of fun, growing up is just a trap.